INTJs, or the architect personality type, are introverted, intuitive, thinking, and judging, often described as independent, confident, ambitious, and strategic. Architects are constantly deconstructing and rebuilding every idea and system they encounter to create an intricate model of the world into which everything must fit neatly. They usually show an interesting mix of traits, being imaginative yet decisive, ambitious yet secretive, curious about everything yet focused. The life of the mind is very important to them. It can be difficult for architects to find people who can keep up with their non-stop meta-analysis of things and thirst for knowledge. The individualistic INTJ manners appear early in life. As children, they are often inwardly focused on the way the world is, or ought to be, and enjoy daydreaming. They can be quite stubborn when information contrary to their beliefs is presented to them by authorities, such as parents, teachers, and become skeptics from an early age. As teenagers, they may be seen as serious and reserved young people, often labeled as bookworms. They are very confident in their own belief system, and therefore compelled to establish their own rules, boundaries, standards, and style. They have internal standards of achievement and often do well academically, but may struggle with social standards, customs, and traditions as they see them as a waste of their time and energy. White lies and small talk, even when useful, are hard for a personality type that needs truth and depth. Forming around 2% of our population, they often find themselves in strategic roles due to their ability to filter noise and pull on the core ideas. Being accurately perceptive of systems and strategy, they can sit on an idea for years, but will live to see them translated into substance. In contrast to an INTP, who is simply content to design the system. It is often best for architects to remain out of the spotlight and stay within their element, to do what they do best. That is likely to draw people to them, professionally, socially, and even romantically.